Get ready for Magnum Power. Powerful trucks from Dodge that can out-haul, out-tow, just plain outwork any comparable Ford, Chevy, or import, period. Just drop a new Magnum Series engine in a Dodge Dakota 4x4 or Cummins Diesel 4x2 Club Cab, and you've got Magnum Power. Plus, get savings of over $3,400 on select Magnum Club Cabs. Put Magnum Power in your hands now.
See a special selection of Magnum trucks at your local Northwest Dodge dealer.